Let's get started with learning how to use conditional formatting in Excel. This is a useful tool that allows you to highlight and visually organize your data based on specific rules. Imagine you have a spreadsheet and you want to quickly identify all the values that are greater than 1,000. This is where conditional formatting becomes incredibly powerful. First, you need to select the range of cells where you want to apply the rule. Once you have your data selected, go to the Home tab. Under the conditional formatting options, you will see a section where you can choose to highlight cells based on certain criteria. Select the option to highlight cells greater than a certain value. In the box that appears, you can enter the number 1,000. After clicking OK, Excel will automatically highlight all the cells with values greater than 1,000. This makes it much easier to spot the important figures at a glance. Next, let's say you want to identify duplicate values in your data. To do this, again, select the range of cells you want to check. Go back to the conditional formatting options under the Home tab. This time, choose the option to highlight duplicate values. Excel will automatically find and mark all the duplicate entries within your selected range. For example, if you have numbers that repeat in cells E6 and F4, they will be highlighted. This feature is especially useful when you are managing large datasets, as it helps you quickly identify redundant entries and clean up your data. Now let's talk about creating a color scale to make your data more visually intuitive. After selecting the data range, go to the Home tab and choose Conditional Formatting again. This time pick the Color Scales option. Here you can apply a gradient color scheme where lower numbers are shaded in red and higher numbers are shaded in green. This allows you to immediately see how values are distributed across your data. The lowest values will appear in red, indicating they might need attention, while the highest values will appear in green, showing where the top figures are. With these techniques, you can transform a plain spreadsheet into a more readable, interactive, and insightful tool. Conditional formatting makes it much easier to analyze data at a glance, spot trends, and catch potential errors. Remember to experiment with different rules and formats to see what works best for your specific needs. Excel is a powerful tool, and mastering these features will make your data management much more efficient.